I live in Southern California where it practically never rains, and you undoubtedly have had some problems with drought. Seems to be happening a lot more frequently these days. But you know, there are some ways that you can cope with drought, and one has to do with the lawn. Now, when you go to cut your grass, if you raise your blade about 2 inches up, then when you cut it, the blades will remain a little bit longer, and that's going to retain some of the moisture. Also, something else I talk about all the time is mulching. Well, this is when it's really very important because the mulch is going to help keep the roots cool, and again, it will help retain the moisture. Now, something else, when you're walking around your garden and you look at some of your flowers and maybe their heads are drooping a little bit, whatever you do, don't fertilize them. That will cause them to go into stress. Actually, they're saving their energy, kind of like suspended animation. And also, regarding your trees, just don't even think about pruning them. That will also send them into shock. If there's a dead limb, take care of it. Other than that, let everything go until it rains again.